Hey guys, I'm Hazel. If you're getting organised for going to a festival this summer, then why not check out our most forgotten about festival tips before you go. If there's 2 of you, get a 3-man tent. If there's 5, get a 6-man tent. The extra space is so important because you need to store all your rucksacks, clothes, food, drink and any other junk that you've got with you, and that takes up a full human's worth of space. Gaffer tape will really save your back. It will fix tent tears and rips, snap tent poles, waterproof jackets. It really is a total lifesaver. You don't even need to use the full roll. Cut off some strips and wrap them around your water bottle. Even if you don't use it, you could be the hero for someone else. Not only is this a good idea for obvious reasons like dropping it in the toilet, in the mud or in your drink, but you can even live in the moment for a change. What's that even like now? You're probably thinking that noises don't affect you or you won't be sober enough to hear things, but the sound at festivals truly can be astonishing, and I don't mean just the music. Earplugs take up 0 space and can save you in more ways than one, so it'd be silly not to take them. Stash some extra money in your battery compartment or in your phone case. It always comes in handy for an emergency, or even if you don't use it, it'll be a special surprise on your Sunday for some extra pizza. A good thing to keep in mind when packing is if you're not prepared to lose it or damage it, then you shouldn't take it with you. Finally, dress up, turn up, and have the best time. Isn't this why glitter was invented anyway? Stay safe and you can thank me later.